Welcome back to 44 Tech Zone. We're diving into the OnePlus 12 today, and let me tell you, there's a lot to get excited about. So, why is this phone creating such a stir? Let's unpack it together. The heart of the OnePlus 12 is nothing short of impressive. It rocks the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, teamed up with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM. Whether you're gaming like a pro or streaming your favorite shows, this phone handles it all without breaking a sweat. And the display? OnePlus has outdone themselves. Picture a stunning 6.8 inches OLED display that brings everything to vibrant life with a sharp 3168 by 1440 resolution. With LTPO 3.0 technology, the refresh rate smoothly adjusts up to 120 Hz for seamless screen action, and a peak brightness of 4500 nits means you can enjoy clear visuals even in bright sunlight. For those who love to capture the world around them, the OnePlus 12 is a dream. It boasts a 50 megapixels main camera, a 48 megapixels ultra-wide for those breathtaking landscapes, and a 64MP telephoto lens that brings distant subjects up close with up to 120x zoom. Plus, a 32 megapixels front camera makes sure your selfie game is top-notch. In short, the OnePlus 12 stands out as a real contender in the smartphone arena, boasting top-tier performance, a brilliant display, and a versatile camera setup. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest in tech. Catch you in the next one.